This week I have received both these publications. It is titled Madhav Mahima. Acharya Madhav Deshpande Samabhinandan Grantha. It's a felicitation volume for Professor Madhav Deshpande. Who doesn't know Madhav Deshpande? If a person is in the field of Sanskrit studies, he cannot be a scholar of Sanskrit if he doesn't know Madhav Deshpande. Vatsadesh Raj Sharma has edited this volume. It's a it's an example of a good work done single-handedly. Vatsadesh Raj Sharma is a dedicated person. He is a Sanskritabhimani doing great service for the cause of Sanskrit, especially for the propagation of Sanskrit knowledge and publication of Sanskrit books and their publicity as well. The publishers are Devvani Parishad, Delhi. A very wonderful thing about this volume is that it includes the introductory remarks of late Mahakavi Acharya Ramakant Shukla, Prerakashi Rashi. It is actually a lecture given by Ramakant Shukla ji on March 14th, 2022, on the occasion of the birthday celebrations of Madhav Deshpande. It has been rightfully given a place in the beginning of this volume. This volume, of course, is comprised of preface by Acharya Rishiraj Pathak on behalf of Devvani Parishad, who are the publishers, and it has 5 chapters, 5 adhyayas. Under the chapter, in the chapter titled Madhav Mangalyam, very good prashastis about Madhav Deshpande are collected. In the second adhyaya, which is Madhav Smriti Kosha, there are reminiscences about Madhav Deshpande by well-known scholars. In the third chapter, which is Madhav Vyaktyabhivyakti, some of his writings are collected. The fourth chapter is Madhavi Kavya Samuchaya. It is an anthology of all the Sanskrit writings available by Madhav Deshpande. Madhav Deshpande is an eminent contemporary Sanskrit poet. And the fifth chapter is titled Madhav Kavya Samalochanam, critical studies of the poems of Madhav Deshpande. The articles are about the contribution of Madhav Deshpande, about his life and works, and very good illustrations, picturized illustrations are also there. The volume speaks about the academic life, the pursuits, and various contributions of Madhav Deshpande to Sanskrit studies. It also speaks about his family life, and it also discusses various of his activities, like his performing on theatre, acting as Dushyanta and Shakuntalam at Ferguson College, Pune. It's a very good picture of that time. So it leads us down to the memory lane, and the family members of Professor Deshpande also speak about him. The friends, admirers of Madhav Deshpande, like Kedar Narayan Joshi, who was a professor at Vikram University, Ujjain, Anusha Rao, who has been a PhD student at the University of Toronto in Canada, Dr. Peggy Mohan, professor at Ashoka University, Delhi, Professor Janardhan A. Silk from Leiden University, Netherlands, Dr. Elina Bashir, who is senior lecturer in Urdu in the University of Chicago. Such a vast circle which draws towards Madhav Deshpande, Professor Rico Ohnuma from USA, Professor Ram Gopal from India, Savita Farooqui, so many persons, and Dr. Ashok Nirfarake, Professor of Psychology from Pune. He has written an article on Professor Madhav Deshpande, Krishna Bhakt Pandit Kavi. Madhav Deshpande's 1000 verses about Krishna, they were very much appreciated when they were released occasionally through media in a group. And प्रोफेसर माधव मुरलीधर देशपांडे जी, मेरे साहित्यिक विकास के आधार. दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ एन आर्टिकल गिवन बाय युवराज दीपक कुमार भोगांवकर. And his brothers and other family kin, they also have spoken frankly and intimately about Madhav Deshpande. The volume includes a curriculum vitae of Professor Madhav Deshpande and the whole bibliography of his writings, which of course will serve a great purpose for the researchers. Madhavi Kavya Samuchaya includes 36 poems and one of them is in Pali, one of them is in Chando Bhasha titled Hiranyapanir Viduthe Ratu Sharma. One of them is translation of the Madhushala by Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Complete Madhushala has been translated. Incidentally, Madhav Deshpande was presenting some of the couplets from his translation of Bachchan's Madhushala in Sanskrit in one of the sessions of the Kalidas Samaroh at Ujjain, and I was present there. I could see his love for poetry, and especially he is not a Hindi Bhashi, he is not a native Hindi speaker, but he could render Madhushala faithfully, musically, and he presented it very well. There are poems by Madhav Deshpande. Of course, he has translated Coleridge also, and that Coleridge's translation is also included. Some other translations by Madhav Deshpande from Marathi poetry, they are Prithivyaha Prema Geetam, translation of Kusmagraja's poetry, and Kasa, this is the translation of Govindagraj Krit, Marathi poem by Govindagraj. Remaining are the original poems by Madhav Deshpande. Ke Vayam, Aho Akaruna Khalu Ishvara, Bharatam Nah Punatu, He Swatantrate, Pippala Tale, Chataka Nyokti, Syat Katham Viprayoga, Kalyana Mitra Charanau Sharanam Prapadye, Ishasya Manisha, Shreyasha श्रेयसामेष पंथाः पाणिनीय परिषद परिहासः आकस्मिक पद्यानि, that is occasional verses. Punya Pattanikam, about the Pune city. Sita Ravana Samvad Panchashika. Incidentally, when I was editing Sanskrit Pratibha, the literary organ of Sahitya Academy, I had started a column in Sanskrit Pratibha, contributions by poets who are living abroad. I could publish short stories of Sanskrit writers from Bangladesh there, poems translated by a Russian scholar, Pushkin's poems, and Madhav Deshpande, at my request, contributed his long poem, 50 verses, on the dialogue between Sita and Ravana. It is in line of the poem Sita Ravana Samvad Jhari. It's a very touching poem, and Sita's rejoinders to Ravana, they are very powerful. Then Gyote Krita Shakuntal Kavyasya Anuvada, this also is there. Kavitarkikayoh Kalidas Vishaya Vivada. Madhav Deshpande writes with a sense of humor, and he exhibits an understanding of satirical literature. There are poems as prashastis of gods and goddesses like Saraswati Vandan Vinshatika. There are appreciations like Kavi Kavita Vaibhavam. There are Vidambana Kavyas also like Corona Vidambanam. There is a poem like Chahapana Vinodah, Nirvachana Vinodah, Vyakaran Vinodah. These are also there. And Samasya Purti is also there. 36th poem is Ramayana Dasha Shloki. I congratulate Vasadesh Raj Sharma, and the way he has very sincerely and dedicatedly worked on this volume, and this speaks of a younger generation which is coming in the front for the cause of Sanskrit studies and Indological studies. Thank you very much.